future. I've been sent back in time to take care of this guy, Noby, but he's a mess. And that's where I come in, to save the day with an amazing invention from my fourth dimensional secret gadget puzzle. But things never turn out as planned. Get ready, cause here we go again.
I'm afraid we lost the bid on that new house we love so much. It was the perfect home for us, so much roomier and close to Noby's school. But I guess that neighborhood is just too expensive for what we can afford.
Well, that's disappointing. I suppose we'll have to look in a different area, or maybe for something a little bit smaller. Yep, guess we'll have to settle.
That kind of sounds a little serious.
Yes, I suppose you're right.
I feel bad. I wish I could buy Mom and Dad a new house.
You can.
Huh?
According to this book, you could buy a castle.
A castle? Continue, my good sir.
First, we pick out the one we like. And according to this travel book, there are lots of fixer-upper castles all over Europe.
Are you serious? You're just messing around, right?
No, there's a ton of old castles just in Germany alone. And they're practically free.
Wow, this one's a steal! Dad! Mom! Your problem has been solved.
Which one?
I found a cheap new place to move into.
And exactly where is this place?
We're moving to Germany, baby!
Perhaps that wasn't the best way to bring this up.
I thought it was pretty good. Hey, let's just go take a look at it.
Noby, you need to be more realistic. Do you realize how far away it is? That's like saying, why don't we just go to the moon for lunch? It's thousands and thousands of miles away from here.
Dude, we got a door for that.
Yes, of course. The Anywhere door. And off we go.
To Germany! Whoa, this place is super huge.
I think that must be the front door. It's unlocked. Come on in.
But won't we get into trouble?
Hey, they're trying to sell their castle. Wouldn't they want us to look around?
Yeah, maybe you're right. Seems deserted.
Anyone home? We'd like a tour, please. Or maybe a brochure. Looks like nobody's home.
Yeah, I guess not.
How about a guided tour?
So, you know how in movies, creepy old castles like this always have monsters and scary stuff appear when you least expect it? Hope that doesn't happen. Hey, come on! I was only kidding around! Stop acting so scared because now you're starting to freak me out, too!
Yeah, and whose fault is that? Maybe you should rethink the timing of your horror stories.
Was war das? Ist jemand da? Also, was machst du da?
What's taking so long? Just get it over with.
But could you do it in the English?
Seid ihr Ausländer?
Guten Abend. My name is Doraemon.
Dorai?
They're coming zu kaufen Giesesberg.
Ah, wirklich?
Yeah, yeah.
Excuse me, when did you learn to speak Sea German?
Didn't have to. Here, ear translation coming. Is it possible to get a tour?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
This could take a while. It's a very large place. So let's get started.
We'll follow right behind you.
Now I can understand the German too.
If you love this castle so much, then I don't really understand why you're trying to sell it.
Well, you know, I wish I didn't have to. And it breaks my heart. But it's just become too expensive for me to keep up.
Oh, I see. It's about money.
Well, if she can't afford it, then how am I supposed to? Huh?
Here you are, Lottie. My. Why do you disappear like that and cause me to worry?
Oh, hello. I just felt like taking a walk. Noby, Doraemon, meet my Uncle Joseph.
A pleasure.
Let's begin downstairs on the lower level. This castle's so old, it does need some work.
Who's the person in this picture?
Oh, that's It's Baron Erich von Münchhausen, my ancestor. He built this castle 500 years ago.
Do you think his ghost is haunting it?
I doubt it. But if it is, I wouldn't mind meeting him.
When he hears you're selling his home, you just might. I should imagine he'd be extremely disappointed about that.
Oh well. Why don't you stay for a few days? Then you'll know if you like it. I'll see you tomorrow. Almost forgot. You'll need these keys to get around the castle. Catch!
Oh, hey!
You got it?
Bye!
Wow, 5 keys.
You know, this place is quite a mess.
Guess we could clean it.
Or we could go get your parents.
That sounds even better. And you know how Mom really likes to clean.
Now you're talking.
Mom, Dad, guess what? We can totally buy it.
What do you mean? Buy what?
A German castle.
Honey, are you all right?
It's a little bit run down, but I think it's gonna be super cheap.
And it's super big with tons of room.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. You'll feel like a king living in your own castle, Dad.
I guess I could get used to that.
Exactly. And guess who's gonna be your queen?
But Germany is very far away from your friends Sneech and Big G.
Yeah, I think I can work with that.
And if we ever start missing them, we can always use my anywhere door and come visit.
Oh, really?
Perfect. Decision made.
We're moving to a big castle where we're all gonna live like royalty. Nothing makes a castle seem more like a home than when it's been all tidied up as clean as a whistle.
Okay.
Well, what do you think? Can you believe how big it is?
Maybe we should split up and explore all the different parts of it.
Great! I'll head off in this direction then.
And I think I'll go look for the bedrooms.
Okay, don't get lost.
Hello? Is anybody here? I guess not. It's incredibly dusty. I'm glad I brought cleaning supplies.
So that's a German moon, huh? Looks exactly like the moon back at home. Okay, I think I'm done experiencing this room. Now, only 400 to go.
Rock, paper, scissors. I won, so you're it. No peeking, Doraemon.
I won't. Are you ready for me?
Of course not. Count to 1,000. Whoa.
399.
Back. Whew. Big place. What could that be? You scared me.
This is just not getting the job done. Could you go get me the broom?
Sure. It's just over there.
999.
Now, where did I leave that broom?
1,000. Finally, ready or not, here I come.
Come on now! Where did I leave that darn broom?
What's taking him so long? Counting to 1,000 was only a joke.
My cat-like instincts tell me that you're in here somewhere. I can feel it deep down inside. Or maybe it was just a gas bubble.
This is a great disguise. If he'd hurry up and find me.
Sweetheart, I can't find it. I've looked everywhere.
And I can't clean this place with a duster.
What should I do? Pull it out of my sleeve?
If that's where it is, then yes.
I'll go look again.
Thank you.
Where is that broom?
Oh, where is he? It's really starting to get hot in here.
Nobby, where are you? Enough, I can't take it!
Oh, wait, you're leaving already? But I don't understand.
Don't you want to spend the night?
I just don't think a big house like this is right for us. Have fun.
thought Mom and Dad would love this castle as much as we do.
But we can still buy it, right?
Yeah, of course. I've already invited Sue to come over and hang out with us.
Can we invite Sneech and Big G, too?
Sure, but they're your guests, not mine.
Awesome! Wow, this place is ginormous!
Well, of course this place is ginormous. It's a stinking castle. It's supposed to be ginormous. Sorry, I had a burrito. So please allow me to give you the tour.
Hey, Noby! We're gonna go in and climb that tall tower!
Come with us! Hey, I'm the one giving the tour here.
Those buildings look like toys from up
Look at
here.
that cool ship!
Dive right into the river from here.
Me too, it's
I like to hear better without those two.
That's not nice.
Maybe we can. Let's ask Noby. Oh, hey there! We're up here! Hello!
Hi! I played this growing up.
Oh, found one!
Excuse me, but what is that tower used for? The one with the flowers all over it.
That's the Tower of Roses. It's a water tank that stores the water drawn from the mountains. But none of those fountains work anymore. Maybe they'll get fixed one day.
Hope so.
Thanks, guys! Great castle!
So, what time is it now?
Let's see. Getting pretty late, Noby. It's almost 2 in the morning. The dead of night, as some people like to say.
Why'd you have to say it like that? Are you trying to scare me?
No, but did it work?
Yeah, of course it did. And it's not very nice.
But it was funny, right?
So that was just you trying to be funny and scare me again, right?
Yeah, sure. That's all it was. I knew this place was haunted.
But maybe it's just a burglar and not a ghost.
Yeah, right. A burglar is much more comforting. It's just a suit of armor.
It was always in the middle of the hallway, right?
Yes, I believe it was.
Yes, of course it was. You know, I've been thinking, maybe that's not our dream house.
Yeah, it's a nightmare. Bad news.
What, yummy buns are outlawed?
Even worse. Look. It's Miss Lotte. She's missing.
No way!
And it happened the very day we left.
According to her uncle, Mr. whatever his name is, there have been rumors of recent ghost activity. The armor.
That's what I think.
It's up to us to save her.
My thoughts exactly. Now let's go!
But what if it's a real ghost?
Hey, guys. Sorry. I just heard about Miss Lotte on the news and I was worried.
Hi, Sue.
We were just on our way over there to see if we could help.
I forgot I still have these keys. I guess we should return them.
We might need them when we get there.
Probably. And I brought along a few things that might help us to fight off that ghost.
Good idea, but they might just weigh us down.
And you don't want to risk losing such cool stuff. Look at all the holes someone dug. What a mess.
I'll tell you what I think. Someone was looking for something buried.
Would be buried here.
I don't know. It could be anything.
Oh, really? Anything? Maybe even a body?
I suppose.
You're saying these are... What? What?
Graves.
What?
Graves?
No, I'm asking what is that?
They went back to play ball without us? Let's go.
All right.
Why is it so easy to get in and so hard to get out? Maybe if I turn upside down. But now I can't see. I know. Transparency glasses.
Hey, Doraemon, Sue, where are you guys?
Nobby! You thought you could play a game of baseball without us?
Well, think again. Noby! Great, just what I needed.
I'm being nice.
I just heard a scream.
Quit being such a scaredy cat. Whoa, look at that.
Awesome! I've never seen so many suits of armor.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try one of them on.
Okay, now I have a good idea of how to fight that ghost.
That one's really tall.
This place is creeping me out!
Hiding under a table's not gonna help anything. I need to put on a brave and really scary face to go fight this battle. Here goes nothing.
He didn't notice anything.
Perfect. Now's our chance to take him down. Keep a lookout for me while I put on this armor, Sneech.
What?
Okay, this feels pretty scary. But I'm not sure how brave I feel. I'll go check out my reflection.
Jeez, why am I so scared?
Oh, I can do this. And if you ask me, I look scarier than a ghost.
That's gonna leave a mark. That's Miss Lote's bike. Miss Lote! Huh? Is that a door?
Where are you, Noby? Doraemon!
You're too heavy.
Jump, Sneech!
Now there are two ghosts?
Wait, don't leave me here alone with this ghost!
Hello? Can anybody hear me?
Nobby, I'm here. It's Lote.
Hang on, I'll get you out. Are you okay?
Nobby, you saved my life. How did you find me?
Well, it's actually a really funny story.
Never mind. Let's get out of here.
Let go of me!
Now, back to haunting my castle. Who's there? Oh, it's just another one of those pesky kids. You may as well leave and don't even think about buying this castle. It's not for sale. I can't believe this. Are my eyes deceiving me? It just can't be. Nice try. You thought I could be hoodwinked, huh? I'd never fall for such a cheap trick. I'm Josef von Munchausen, and I don't fool easily.
You disgust me. You are an embarrassment to the von Munchausen name. You've tarnished our reputation.
What kind of person would run around just trying to scare people?
No need to worry. I took care of him.
Doraemon, was this all you're doing?
I used the time machine to bring him back from 500 years ago.
500 years? You're my ancestor?
I am, and I have to say that I am as surprised as you are. Who could expect something like this? But when a vase popped into my bedroom going on about how my descendant was in trouble, I flew right over. You must be Lotte.
Yes.
I would know you anywhere. You look just like my beautiful daughter. I understand that you have been through a lot.
I can handle it.
Ah, with a spirit like my daughter's as well. Strong and brave. Lotte, you have proven yourself worthy of learning the secret of the castle. Behold! Now, Lotte, what shall we do about Uncle Joseph?
Oh, he'll be all right. He's a good man, and his heart is in the right place. He was just very upset about losing the castle, so he went about trying to save it the wrong way.
You have a big heart. Lotte, I must return to my own time. The castle could not be in better hands. The future of the von Munchausen family is bright.
Thanks. I'll always do my best.
Well, so much for our castle, huh?
But it'll always be a dream house.
Yeah, for her.
Oh, I almost forgot about these.
Miss Lotte, catch!